this will show you how to insert a reference from Endnote into Microsoft Word. Okay, now so I have an example research paper, okay, and let's say this is my paragraph and I want to insert a reference. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is you have to save your references into Endnote, okay, and before you do that you have to go to PubMed or whichever website you're using. Okay, let me go to PubMed. Okay, let's say PubMed. Okay, and that is PubMed. You type in your keywords and search the appropriate articles that you want for your research. Okay, let's say I'm going to do a research on low back pain. Search, and let's say you select a few of them. Okay, now you come over here to the send to and you save it as a file, and you would have to select Medline, and of course you will say create file. As soon as you say create file, you will have a security box and the file will be saved. Let me open the file. Okay, and I'll just save it over on the desktop so I know where it is. I can give it any name that I want. Okay, I'll say low back. Okay, I'll save it on the desktop. I'll say save. Let me close this, and then once you're done with saving your research data or your research papers, you can just close this. You don't need this anymore. And next what you have to do is you have to start up Endnote. Okay, that is Endnote. It doesn't matter which version you have, they're all the same, they have the same concept. Okay, now over here you will open a new file. You'll say file and new. Okay, give it any name. My Endnote library, that's fine, and I'm going to open it in my documents. If you want, you can put it on the desktop. I'll say save. As soon as you say save, it'll open up some windows. Take a while, and there you go. Okay, I'll maximize this. Okay, now we have to import the file that we saved. So I'm going to say file. How do you import? Okay, so I'm going to say file. I'm going to say import. Click on file and choose your file. It was on the desktop, and if I scroll down, there it is. Click open, and the filter will be other filters, and I'm going to select PubMed, PUB, press enter, and I'm going to click on PubMed, click on choose. Okay, and this option is going to be import all. I'm going to select discard duplicates, and I'm going to say import. Okay, now wait for a few seconds and your file should be here. Okay, so these are your research papers that you had selected and saved into that file, and now it's here. Okay, now how do you insert, let's say the first one, I want to insert this one into Microsoft Word. So I'm going to click on it first. Okay, now I have selected this. Now I'll go back to Word. Okay, let's say I want to insert it right here. Okay, then you go to the Endnote tab, and then you will say insert citation, and then the second one, insert selected citation, and automatically it will insert the citation. Okay, now by default the style that you have selected is the style that comes by default is annotated, and let's say I want to change that. Let's say I want to have numbered style. Okay, it will automatically change it. Okay, now let me say I want to have another reference right over here. Okay, let me go back to Endnote. Okay, I'm going to select this one, the second one, and I'm going to go back to Microsoft Word, and I'm going to say insert selected citation. Now that's my second one, and now I'm going to do my third one. Again, click over here or anywhere you want. Let's say I want to do it right over here. Okay, and go back to Endnote, select the second one, and then go back to Microsoft Word and do insert selected citation. And now you have 3 references and 3 references over here. And that's how you do it. Okay, let me take that on a different paper, on a different sheet. I'll do a page break over here, and I'll call this references, so that all of your references are on a separate page. Now you can go anytime. Let's say you don't want to use numbered style, you can go back over here and you can say author date style, and automatically this will change over here, and of course it will also reflect the changes over here. Go back and let's say Vancouver style. There you go, that's Vancouver style, and there you go. Okay, it will format and change the formatting in the whole document. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Thank you.